Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use calculator in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the home page of our phone and go to calculator. This is the calculator app, and here you can do any simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Here I do this addition, and to clear, click on C. Okay, you can also use like a combination of addition. See here, and you can put bracket, and here I do some multiplication and close the bracket, and yes. So in this way you can use some complex addition subtractions, and then if you want to use some scientific calculation, click on this icon and scientific calculator will be opened. You can use scientific calculator here. This is scientific calculator. Suppose if you want to find out tan 45 which is equal to 1, okay, already we know. Any complex scientific calculation can also be done. Okay, here 2 power 2 5, okay, and log 56. So whatever scientific calculations you need, you can do it. Okay, if you want to turn off scientific calculator, click here. Okay, so in this way you can easily use scientific calculator as well in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.